front of me is Doogee X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Firstly, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluid. Then you need to install this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, open it. In order to mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Now select this gear at the top left corner. Click on I accept in first things first pop-up and adjust all of those options however you wish to. Then click on the top right corner and bottom right corner. Finally, select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and select one of those options. I will go with home screen only. So when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!